Hi, this is English teacher Linda G with another holiday song. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Now, this song was written by Sammy Kahn. He wrote the lyrics, the words, and Jewel Stein, who wrote the music. It was written in 1945. Let It Snow is a cheerful and upbeat holiday song celebrating the joys of winter and the Christmas season. And even if the lyrics don't directly reference Christmas itself. Now, despite its association with the holiday season, the song is actually about cozying up during a snowy winter night rather than Christmas. And it goes something like this. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since there's no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. And it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So it's a very romantic song, especially nobody wants to go home when there's a winter storm. So, of course, the couple just wants to cuddle by a warm fire and they don't want to say goodbye. So, what do you think of that song? Have you heard that song before? I'd love to hear your comments.